welcome back to a new video. Today I'm actually gonna install the new front bumper for my Honda Civic, and also gonna install some other things. I have the speaker cover for my door because mine is cracked, but this one is not cracked. And the reason why I'm in my storage unit is because they polish outside our friend's new front, because we go into a car meet tomorrow. That's why also I changing the front today. And I'm gonna go outside and show you what I'm gonna do with the front, because I'm gonna do a modification to my front before I install it too. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. And yeah, let's wait for the guys to be done out there so I can film. So here is the new stuff, and the modification I want to do to this front bumper is that I want to cut out everything here and just make a nice hole. So my plan is to cut here against this line the whole way, both down and up. And I have one brand new turn signal because they only had one in the storage. So I have a second-hand one, and also the cover for the speaker. So I think I'm gonna start with the cover for the speaker, and then we're gonna remove the front, and then we probably start the cutting, or maybe the opposite, start cut first, because the time is pretty late already and we have to go up very early tomorrow.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So I have been sanding down like the loose materials as good as I can, because I don't really have the right tools. And I started to hand sand it, but it took too long time. So I used a Dremel with sandpaper, and it actually looks much better than I thought. Like, this is how we're gonna see the bumper. So I'm very, very happy with it. And yeah, it is some scratches from the sandpaper and the cutting, but in the future this is gonna be white, so I'm probably gonna have to fix the surface even better before painting. So I'm not worried about that really. So yeah, now I'm just gonna change the bumper. Skit i den där skruven en gång till. Vinkeln Harry. Shit!
Varför det?
För att den vägen, den gör ingen nytta där.
Så.
Ja, nu lär ju den definitivt vara i vägen. Kan vi inte bara ta vinkeln Harry? Det tar en sekund.
Det här går snabbare.
About that alltså.
About that alltså. Har du någonting att säga emot?
Abo!
Abo! Alltså du måste lägga... Alltså du får ju lägga musik på det, fattar du? Okej.
Abo! Så.
Hello boy! Ooh! 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 Look at that boy!
So the car is behind me, and it's like a week later, and I have been driving around with my new front bumper, and you can see my registration plates still are in the window because I haven't really figured out where I want to put the plates. But in my opinion, I think it looks more clean, and I'm really happy with the results, especially after cutting out all like the materials in the middle, so you only have like two big holes instead. And yeah, I still really don't know where I want to put my registration plate, because if you put it like here, it's still gonna cover like down here, so it looks weird. I wish I had like an American plate, because American plates are smaller, but I'm not sure I can get it because it's like kinda pain in the ass to get it in Sweden. But this is how the car looks like for now, and soon it's time for this car to also get like a rust repair, and a little bit of a teaser for next video. Here is the other one, a work in progress. So this car has come a very long way so far. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and I will see you in the next video when I upload. I don't know when it's gonna be, but soon.